In Hillsborough County, the community came together to honor the man who was killed while walking on Bayshore Boulevard last Thursday. A celebration of life was held for George Gage at Hyde Park United Methodist today. He was a member of a prominent Bay Area family that helped reshape the downtown area. Tampa police say Gage was walking along Bayshore when he was killed by a drunk driver. And that suspect, Benjamin Ehas, he was in court today. He's charged with DUI manslaughter and vehicular homicide. Prosecutors argued he is a danger to the community. 8 on your side's Justin Schecker is live in downtown Tampa with more on today's court developments. Justin.
Stacy, good evening. Benjamin Ehas walked gingerly into the courtroom in handcuffs. After the hearing that lasted more than an hour, he learned from the judge he'll wait in jail until his trial.
And therefore, I am going to grant the state's request for a pretrial detention.
Today's ruling to keep Benjamin Ehas behind bars came after compelling testimony from witness Richard Gansmart.
I saw an explosion of the balustrades. The vehicle had struck it.
2 minutes before the crash that killed George Gage, Gansmart says the pinch a penny truck sped by him on Bayshore Boulevard.
It was totally out of control. I've not seen a car driving that fast, that dangerously, swerving back and forth.
Tampa Police Corporal Matthew Belmonte testified that at the hospital, Ehas identified himself as the driver of the truck.
He had red, watery eyes. His pupils were constricted. In addition to that, he was slurring his speech.
Police say 15 minutes before the crash, Ehas bought and drank a double shot of Fireball whiskey.
Through the investigation, it was determined that he had stopped at ABC Liquors on Gandy Boulevard.
A public defender for Ehas argued there could be conditions for his release.
The driving record does not support that he's ever had a DUI in the past.
But the judge agreed with the state that Ehas should stay in jail.
There are no other alternatives to protect the community because based on the amount of people that he had a disregard for at the time on January 9th of 2020 at 11:13 in the morning.
And 8 on your side learned in court that Pinch a Penny turned over the GPS tracking records for that white truck. The pool service company fired Ehas on the day of the deadly crash. We're live tonight in Tampa. I'm Justin Schecker, 8 on your side.